Project 26, Ohm's Law Revisited. Using this circuit, we're going to hit the press switch, and the motor and lamp both turn on. It might be hard to tell that the motor is on, but it's not spinning at full speed. Push the 61 press switch, the momentary switch, and the motor stops spinning, but the lamp becomes brighter. This circuit is reinforcing the principle of Ohm's law, in which a lower resistance in the circuit will lead to a larger current in the circuit, and therefore the lamp will get brighter because the fan is bypassed when the momentary switch is pushed, and now all the current goes to the lamp. Project 27. Magnet does two jobs. We'll replace the press switch, the momentary switch, with the reed switch and turn on the 62 press switch. The motor and lamp both come on, but they're not at full power, and I'm going to put the magnet against the reed switch. When it is applied just right, the motor stops spinning and the lamp reaches full brightness. Now, the name of this circuit comes from the fact that you can control the brightness of the lamp and turn the motor off simultaneously. The magnet can be attracted to the motor because motors do use magnets inside to spin the motor when current is applied. So the magnet is doing two jobs at once. Project 28. Magnet 2-speed fan. Using this circuit and having the fan on the motor, I'm going to turn on the 62 press switch, and the lamp and motor will come on. Now with the fan attached, the motor is not going to spin very fast because of its weight, but you might be able to give it a boost and it will spin at a slow speed on its own, at least for a short while. It looks like it's slowing down. But when I put the magnet against the reed switch, the lamp will turn off and the motor will reach full speed. Remove the magnet and the lamp will be included in the circuit again, and its resistance will greatly limit the speed, the current flowing through the motor. And you might notice that when I push the press switch, you might not be able to tell through the camera, but the lamp gets bright at first and then it dims a little bit. That is because motors have a very high startup current, but once they reach full speed, the current drops and therefore the lamp will not be as bright. Project 29. Speed-controlled fan. Replacing the reed switch with the momentary switch, we're going to turn on the fan, and it's going to spin at a low rate of speed. The lamp will also come on. When I push the momentary switch, the 61 press switch, the fan will spin at full speed even though the lamp will go off. You could pretend that this is a 2-speed fan, and it has a similar principle to a ceiling fan you might have in your home. Now, ceiling fans typically have chains that you pull to adjust the speed, but on this fan, you have to hold down the momentary switch to keep the fan going at full speed. I wish I had another press switch like the one here, so that I would not need to hold it down all the time, and it will be more like an adjustable fan that you might have in your home.